Welcome back. I'm Storm Watch meteorologist Kaley Shaw. We are continuing to track showers. First half of our day on the chilly side, we will be seeing a lot of sunshine. However, that's going to allow us to have some fuel with these storms just out to our west along a strong cold front here. Stuck around for a while, brought all of that rain to us for several days. Finally moving out of the picture. We are expecting quite a bit of rain, potential for excessive rainfall Saturday into Sunday. Sponsored by the Fayette County National Bank. We're here with Beth and these cute little kittens included under this higher risk of severe weather. So this is something to take very seriously. A messy morning commute as we transition over to a snow in the early morning hours. Finally, a dry, sunny day after those many days of cooler weather and rainy conditions. Check this out. We warm to near 70 degrees by tomorrow afternoon. Bands of heavier showers developing as we head throughout our afternoon, so you'll want to keep that rain gear out. Could see an isolated showers. The best chance to find a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow will be in your morning hours. Sunshine moves in. We warm up into the 60s. Not quite as warm as we've had these last few days. Winter weather advisory is still in effect through 6 a.m. tomorrow, causing some low visibilities on the roads this morning. So be sure to drive carefully if you're headed out the door. Severe potential thunderstorms develop along and ahead of that cold front. Welcome back. I'm Storm Watch meteorologist Kaley Shaw. We are nice and sunny, just a few clouds out there this afternoon, and we're pretty warm. We're in the 60s and 70s this afternoon. We're at 70 right now in Athens, 73 in Beckley and Oak Hill, 76 in Pineville, 75 in Elkhorn. And again, it's pretty beautiful out there right now. High pressure keeping us dry. However, we are tracking this low pressure system, this warm front, expected to head over our region late tonight and into tomorrow. And now, while models aren't quite agreeing yet, we are expecting the potential for some thunderstorms late tonight. Now, as we head into your afternoon, much of it's still very beautiful. We're going to be in the 80s this evening, and not until late tonight is where things kind of change up a bit. This is a new addition to our forecast here. Now, this RPM model, which is the one we have here on the screen, is showing the potential for a very strong line of storms to come through late tonight and into your overnight hours. Now, if this scenario does play out, we do expect the potential for some of these storms to have severe aspects. That main threat would be windy conditions. Now, other models aren't agreeing with the placement of these storms. Some of them have this storm system way further to our north, giving us no rain at all tonight. So the uncertainty is still there, but we wanted to give you the possibility of some storms late tonight and into your overnight hours. Now, heading into tomorrow, no changes there really. We're going to be in the 60s to start out your morning. Very warm and humid day. Some isolated thunderstorm chances throughout your day. And into the evening, we'll be into the mid and upper 80s. Tomorrow expected to be very humid and hot. Maybe if you're heading into the Lewisburg area for the Brew Festival, definitely want to stay hydrated. We're going to be feeling really warm out there tomorrow afternoon and evening, but with a severe potential for tonight. Storm Prediction Center has updated us into the marginal risk of seeing a strong to severe thunderstorm for tonight. That does include the damaging wind threat, which would be our main concern if this setup happens here in late evening hours and overnight. We'd expect that strong line of showers to have very windy conditions, up to 60, even 70 mile per hour wind gusts. So that would be our main concern, though we do have the potential for seeing some hail as well with these storms, and even the tornado threat, though it's quite low. We just kind of have the far end of that. We cannot rule that out as well with these storms. A lot of uncertainty here, but we do want to just be cautious and let you know of the potential for those storms tonight. 80s for your highs today, nice and warm, and that will allow some more thunderstorms to develop and have the stronger aspect with these warmer temperatures and humid conditions as we head into your evening. 86 today in Welch, 88 in DeWar, 87 for your high in Oceana, and 86 for your high in Pineville. Will be near 81 into Beaver, 82 Hinton, and 82 in Union. Again, these next several hours this evening, still very beautiful conditions, but we do have that chance for some storms late tonight around between 8 and midnight or so, and even into your overnight hours would be the timing wise of those storms if they do play out. 62 tonight in Welch, 64 in Worth, 65 for Lone Richlands. Really These low temperatures tonight are much more typical for high temperatures around this year. So we're going to be really warm to end our evening at 64 in Mount Hope, 64 tonight Beaver, 64 into Oak Hill as well as into Fayetteville tonight. Again, hot and humid all weekend long, more like summer than spring here. 80s Saturday, Sunday, 70s by Monday, 60s Tuesday, Wednesday. Stay tuned. After the break, we'll have more news.